हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम तियाशा पाल। आज हम अकाउंटिंग फॉर पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म्स फंडामेंटल का इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग कैसे निकालते हैं वो समझेंगे। इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग निकालने का 3 मेथड होता है, एक सिंपल मेथड, एक प्रोडक्ट मेथड और एक एवरेज मेथड। सबसे ईजीएस्ट मेथड है सिंपल मेथड। मेथड निकालने का तरीका है, interest on drawing is equals to amount of drawing into rate of interest by 100 into months divide by 12। एक एग्जांपल लेके अब समझते हैं। सपोज अमाउंट ऑफ ड्राइंग is equals to 10,000, rate of interest is equals to 10% and issued date is 1st October। सो ऐसे हम करेंगे। इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग इज इक्वल्स टू अमाउंट ऑफ ड्राइंग मीन्स 10,000 इंटू रेट 10% दिया हुआ है इसलिए डिवाइड बाय 100। मंथ्स एक ईयर में 12 मंथ्स होता है इसलिए 12/12 और मंथ्स में लिखेंगे अक्टूबर से अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च तक होता है। एक अकाउंटिंग ईयर में अप्रैल से मार्च तक होता है 6, तो कट करेंगे 6/12 टू 100 का 1125। सो 500 विल बी द इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग। क्लियर? ये है सिंपल मेथड। अब करेंगे, ये सिंपल मेथड है। अब करेंगे प्रोडक्ट मेथड। प्रोडक्ट मेथड का फॉर्मूला है इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग इक्वल्स टू टोटल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट into rate of interest divide by 100 into 1/12। this 1/12 will be fixed. This it will be not change at any circumstances. So we take an example from the book itself. Question number 25A. Here it's told that Mr. Ashok Gupta is a partner in a firm. He withdraw the following amounts during the year ended 31st March 2018. April issue date and the amount, calculate interest on drawing on 31st. So we have to make a table of total of products. So in that table there will be amount column, date column, period column and product. These 4 columns will be there. So in amount column we will write all this amount accordingly: 8,000, 6,000, 5,000, 12,000 and 10,000. And in date column we will write all these dates in accordingly: 30th April, 30th June, 30th September, 31st December and 31st Jan. This will be 2018 and all this will be 2017, because here it is told that year ended 31st March 2018 means the next year will be 18 and previous year will be 17. So now the main thing, how to calculate period. Period will be calculated in this basis. For in the issue date is 1st May because on the 30th April it is issued. We will calculate from 1st May. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 11th months. Basically we have to calculate the rest of the months in the period. In June it is 30th June. Okay, so we will simultaneously we will calculate this as a 1st July. Simultaneously we will calculate as this as July. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. This will be 9. So 9. We will calculate as October, November, December, January, February, March, March 6. 31st 12 means 3 months left. 3, and this is 31st January, so it will be 2. Okay. Now we have to calculate 8,000 into 12. Amount means amount into period. Product is equals to amount into period. So 8,000 into 11 is 88,000. 6,000 into 9, 6,000 into 9 is equals to 54,000. 5,000 into 6, 30,000. 12,000 into 3 is equals to 36,000. 10,000 into 2 is equals to 20,000. Clear? This will be the product. Okay. Now here it is told that total of product means we have to add this all. Total of product. Here if it is written that product, one product is equals to this one. It is sum of it will be the sum of many products. So 20 plus 36,000 plus 30 plus 54 plus 88,000. Then it will be 2,28,000. So interest on drawing it will be 2,28,000. Once again I will explain this because this is total of products, so we have to sum up all the products. Into what will be the rate of interest? Was rate of interest 9%. Is percent is there, so divide by 100 into 1 by 12. 1 by 12 because it will be fixed. So 9%. Let's calculate it. 2,28,000 into 9% divide by 12 is equals to 7170. Our interest on drawing is 7170. Let's check. Yes, 71710.